Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Every now and then I throw in some other stuff, diamond painting or whatever, a few little things like that. So what I've got here today, my coffee is hazelnut. This was gifted to me, so thank you very much. You know who you are. But yes, I'm drinking the hazelnut. I've been drinking the hazelnut for probably about 3 days now, I guess. And I'm really liking it. It is so good. It's good. Let's see, what do I have about, oh yeah, there were 2 other flavors in the coffee that was gifted to me. So I'm looking forward to trying those as well. So on today's Monday Crochet Chat, I have a few items that I have finished, or no, well, I guess technically I do. I do have 2 little items that I finished, but I have one that is ongoing, and it is with Charm Grammy Crochet. Lynette, hi Lynette, and she has I guess it's the Ugly Christmas 2022 make-along going on, and I am really having fun. She is making this Horizon cardigan. Her and I know Laura from Mad Mimi Crochet is making this cardigan as well, and I'm really enjoying that. But I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Let's start off with, I did make a couple more of my mug rugs. I just couldn't help myself. So here we go. There's one. You will see this in tomorrow's video. And this is with Big Twist yarn, by the way, and a G hook. That's a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. Here it is. And then this one you saw in my intro this morning. Let's see, is there one on that side? Yeah. See how good that matches? And actually, they both probably match pretty good. Let's see. Well, I guess the truck is a little bit more on the turquoise side, so I probably would have definitely have stuck with that one. But anyway, I am really enjoying these mugs. I do have a pattern on Etsy, and I have a free tutorial here on YouTube. And not only is it the mug rug, but it's also the coaster. The coaster is like, I think, 4.5 by 4.5. And I think this is 7 or 6.5. And then it's 7 with the fringe and by 4.5. And then I have the placemat. The placemat's pretty awesome. So I've got to make, I actually need to make 3 more of those. I've made 1 in Christmas colors, and so I've got 3 more to make. So let's see. Now, what I'm excited about is I want to show you my Horizon. It is a free pattern from Hobie. Hobie did gifted me this yarn, and thank you so much, Hobie, for that. I will have a DIY project coming on Instagram. Let's see, November the 15th, I believe that's when it is, November the 15th. So be sure, run over to my Instagram account and follow me so you don't miss that. It's going to be fun. But anyway, what I'm working on right now is a free pattern from Hobie. And here it is. It's called, let's see, Crochet Pattern Horizon Cardigan. Design Crafty Maze Designs. And there it is. So before I show you the yarn, let me show you the little video clip real quick. Okay, so here's the cardigan so far. Now that you've seen me modeling it, here it is. And I'll tell you a little bit about what I did if you're planning on making this cardigan. They have you make this panel, you work right here, round and round, and then you will stop at some point according to your measurements. 3 sides they'll have you doing, and you just go back and forth. You'll chain 3 and turn. And then they'll have you fold it like this, and then you'll connect it right up the back. And the way the connection is you do the 1 row of granny squares or clusters, and then you will turn and kind of cluster into this one, slip stitch into this space, cluster into that, slip stitch into that space, cluster into that, and it will make them join. and the same on the sleeves up here, but you leave 3 spaces open at the top up here. So if you're planning on making this, that's basically what you're doing. Now, the one thing I did different is I noticed that when I did this seam, when I did this, let's see if you can see it, it has kind of a raised look right here in the middle of where the connection is. See, there's a split like it's supposed to be, you know, but it still has like a raised connection. So, and then the back side doesn't. See, it's nice and smooth. So I thought, well, when I do my sleeves, I don't want my sleeves to have that. They have you to do that same stitch, but like on top. And so all I did is turn mine inside out. So I would not have that, because see, there's that raised look right there. And I wanted that on the inside. So far, I guess you could say technically that's the only thing I've changed, is that part. Now, I'm not sure. I have to get my instructions out. I'm not sure if we're going to, I think the sleeves is what I'm starting on next. So far it's been really easy. You just go by your measurements so far, and you saw how it looks on me. I think it's going to be a pretty cool little Christmas sweater to wear for the little holiday season. Isn't that just beautiful? I am loving this so much, and it really helps to have the yarn being soft like that. So let me, I do have a link in the bottom of the description box. You can click on that if you're interested in this yarn. I know that it being a Christmas color, it is a limited colorway. But anyway, so let me get back to where I was on here. So this is it. This is what you saw in the video. And it is a size medium. So I feel like it fits me everywhere, but right here, I think it goes a little bit too far right there. I wanted it like more here. So I haven't read that far. There may be some more rows we're going to add to the front. And if we're not, guess what? I'm going to. Because I want mine closed in more. Because you saw in the video, is like right, it ended, both sides ended right there. And I had all this open space. So if it doesn't add any more rows to the front, I'll be adding some more rows, because that's the way I want it. But yeah, this is definitely something I don't know if I'd wear out. I'm just doing it for fun. I'm totally enjoying it. But I don't know. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it. I'll know more, I guess, when it's finished. I know I said that I would never wear it. And then as I was working on it, I said, well, I might wear it one time. So as of now, I still don't know. I think I've kind of gone back to, I don't know if I'm going to wear it. But anyway, it'll all be for fun. And it is, because it is turning out really pretty. But yeah, I do like it. And like I said, if it does fit well, I will make another one. But in some colors that I can wear out. And it not just be for Christmas only. It will be, you know, for fall and winter or whatever. Okay, let's see what I have. Oh yeah, the yarn. So far, I have used one of these, and I'm into my second one. Yeah, that's right. And the colorway is 02. There's 602 yards in this, I think. Let me see how many yards are in this thing. It's a 3 weight, 3 light, and 100% acrylic. Yeah, 601 yards in this thing, and the color is 02. If you like this colorway, 02. So my yarn is falling out the bottom, guys. Look at that. Trying to stuff it back in there. Where's my end? There it is. I like to keep my end out for sure. But yeah, it's not doing so hot. It's a hot mess. But that's it right there. This is my second cake that I'm working on. I do have 3 more. I really don't think I'm going to use all 3. But it's okay, because one of them is going into the DIY project on Instagram. That I believe has a, might have a giveaway with it. I'm not sure. Oh, by the way, there is a giveaway going on my Instagram account right now. It is sponsored by Hobie. There will be 4 winners from what they're going to do is you'll make something and with Hobie yarn and you'll tag, what was the tag? Happy Friday. I think that's it. Oh my gosh. I tell you what, I'll find out what it is and I will put it right across here. Anyway, with that tag, you'll be entered for one of the 4 winners that's going to win like $130 worth of yarn. How amazing is that? Anyway, so yeah, go to my Instagram. You'll need to follow Hobie and you'll need to follow me on Instagram. So yeah, my Instagram account is Pamela's Adoring Crochet. But it's also in the description link box below as well. Let's see, what else was I going to say about that? Lynette, she's having a giveaway with this make-along. So if you want to join, so you could actually make something that would go towards that giveaway that Hobie is sponsoring and on my account. And then you will also get to be entered in a giveaway from Charmed Grammy Crochet. And let's see, it will also go towards the giveaway that I'm pretty sure there's going to be a giveaway with this Have Yourself a Merry Little DIY. That's the tag for that one. Not this one, but the tag for the one that's coming up. So yeah, that one project could go for all 3 giveaways that's going on. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and read our 365 days of prayer. I am yours. I have not come to call the righteous, but sinners to repentance. That's Luke 5:32. Holy One, you are worthy of everything I could ever offer. You already have my life. It is submitted to you. You have access to every part, King of my heart. You hold my future. My past is marked by your love, and your spirit empowers me in the present. My mind is yielded to you. Write the words of life in my thoughts. I don't forget where I started or where I came from. You came into my tumultuous life and brought peace to the chaos. I am overcome with emotion, thinking about your mercy over my life. You have been so faithful to me. I know that you won't stop now. Your goodness is deposited all over my story. Thank you that it's still being written. I trust that when I look back at the end of my life, the mark of your mercy will be clear, even clearer than it's been. You are the most talented of story weavers. I can hardly wait to see where this all ends up. I know your faithfulness will be laced through the whole thing. How does it make you feel when you consider God is writing your story as you submit to Him? Well, I think it feels pretty awesome. Isn't that just beautiful? The 365 days of prayer really helps me. I mean, it always speaks to my heart, and I'm so glad that you guys enjoy it. Well, guys, I'm going to include some photos from our first women's conference at our church, just because you guys know that I have been out of commission since last Wednesday. I did Wednesday's video, and then that was it. I did post a few things here and there, but I mean, it was very sporadic. I have not been able to really go on my Facebook group page and comment on all your beautiful works that you're doing, but I do plan on doing that now. The conference is over. I can relax a little bit now. My biggest thing now is just working on this, my Annie's kit, and some things that Hobie, by sponsoring the yarn, some things that I have going with them. So yeah, I apologize for that I had, got to be on as much. But I should be getting back to that now. But let's see so the women's conference, it was amazing. It was just amazing. It was our first one at our church, and my goodness, I mean, it was just beautiful. The band, they played, the speaker just spoke to my heart. As well she did the other ladies. It was a beautiful time, and I really enjoyed every minute of it. I soaked it all up. Go ahead and watch the pictures that I will include at the end, and I'm not sure if I'll see you Tuesday or not. I'm going to try, but if not, it will be Wednesday for sure and Thursday. So yeah, I may switch Tuesday for Thursday. It depends on if I have my grandson Tuesday or not. So guys, that's all that I have for this video. I'm so glad you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed coming out here and show you my progress on this. I hope that the tips that I've showed you of the things that I've done on this cardigan, that if you're making this cardigan, hopefully that will help you along. And you too, Laura, because I know you said you may have some questions. I hope that maybe what I showed you today might help you when you're putting your cardigan together. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Just remember to live life, have fun. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.